and wash me over until my well runs dry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair installation, as you can see by the title. I went ahead and installed this 10-inch 13x4 bob from SVT Hair. This hair is so soft. This hair is incredibly soft, and the lace, I really enjoyed installing this lace because all I did was add foundation to the lace and bleach the knots, and then everything was good to go. I didn't straighten or style like middle part or anything. I didn't do any of that to this hair because I really like this I don't know, this impromptu side part type of thing that's going on. So that's what I left the hair like. In the video you'll see me do my baby hairs. I have a new baby hair method, so you should watch the end of the video to see that, and then you see it turn out like this. And yeah, I'm very happy with the quality of this hair. Obviously I've only had it for a day, but there's been minimal shedding. I've been brushing it and combing it and all of that stuff, and all in all it's just easy, really easy to install. So continue watching the video to see how I installed this hair and how it turned out like this. Thank you, my angels.
Okay bestie, so this is what the wig looked like out of the bag it came in. This is the lace. I just bleached it and put foundation. This is the dust bag that it came in. It says SVT on it. It came with this plastic bag of wig caps, and also came with these lashes that I'm really excited to wear. I look crazy right now, but this is how I started with the wig on my head, and I just needed to slick like the hair back, so I used my wax stick just to make sure that all of the hair is out of my way when I'm actually gluing it down. Otherwise I would end up gluing the hair on my skin. So I just went in with my hot comb just to glue everything back and make sure that the hair is slicked back. I went in with my little mini scissors that I like using for hair just to cut the lace by my ears, just to make sure that the lace actually fits the perimeter of my forehead. Yes, exactly, the perimeter. And then I went to cut the lace into 3 sections because it's easier for me to lay my wig. Some people cut the whole thing off, but I can't do that. Then I went in with my ghost bond. I'm so sorry my camera didn't focus. Just cleaning my forehead, and then I started with the middle section. I prefer working in 3 sections, and I always start with the middle. I just spread the glue so that it's not a really thick layer before I blow dry. This time I was using a really heavy duty blow dry, and I actually need to get one. And then I went in with the second layer. I use 2 layers when I want the install to last a week plus. So I went in with the second layer, and then I just put the lace down where I wanted it to sit. Go in with my rat tail comb and make sure that my wig is actually stuck to my head. Cutting the lace, usually I use a razor, but this time I found it easier to use my little scissors. Okay, so I did the other side off camera, and then I came back to show you guys how I do the other side. Literally the exact same way that I did the middle, but just on the side. And when you work in 3 parts, it's easier for you to make sure that everything is stuck down instead of putting glue on your whole forehead and then moving on. So as you can see, there's still some glue residue, but that'll go away with the blow dry. You should always blow dry with your blow dry on cool. So this is me blow drying the side so that it would just stick down properly, and then I'm about to cut off the lace. This time using a scissors was actually really easy. Usually a scissors makes a straight line, and I don't like that, but with this lace it was very easy to use. Going with my wig band, and I'm just tying it around my head so that like the lace melts, and then I'm blow drying my hair because I put a little bit of serum into it to make it shine. But the quality of the hair is very good, and it has a lot of volume, so I didn't need to do much. Okay, I'm taking off the wig band. I couldn't untie it, so I just pulled it off, and this is what the install looks like now before I do the baby hairs, and I really liked it. I think this is really good lace. It was very easy for me to install. So I went in with a little bit of got to be just to like make sure that everything is fine and nothing is sticking up, everything is laid flat, everything is melted. And I went in with my heavy duty blow dryer just to make sure that everything is good. Okay, this is me sectioning off hair for my baby hairs. I prefer to put my baby hairs on the sides of my, I think they're my temples, but basically not in the middle of my head, because I really think that's tacky, like in my opinion. So I put them on the sides of my head, and then I'm hot combing it back just to show, like, differentiate between the baby hairs and my actual hair, and then one by my ear as well. This is a new trick that I learned on TikTok, but on the first baby hair, you're going to cut in an upwards angle. It helps when you're laying it. And then on the second baby hair, you're going to cut in a downwards angle, as you can see me do there. And this time for my baby hairs, I used Got2b spray. I did not use Eco Styler. I just feel like using Got2b spray is better for me sometimes. It doesn't make the baby hairs look harsh, so that's what I did this time. Just making sure that the baby hair by my ear is like laying flat, because when you do use Got2b spray, it's a bit hard, but it looks really good in the end. And then I'm taking my little scissors and just trimming off the hair that makes it look odd, just to make sure that it's actually the size of my ear. And this is the finished result, guys. I really love this install. I loved the lace, I loved the hair, so much volume and body, as you can see.